Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best two-rod curtain rod on the market. The Umbra Twilight Double Blackout Window Curtain Rod. If you're looking for a solution to block out light effectively while also enhancing your home's energy efficiency, you're in for a treat. This innovative product not only offers style but also functionality, making it a top choice for homeowners everywhere. Let's start with the design and dimensions. The Umbra Twilight Curtain Rod is adjustable, accommodating window sizes from 28 to 48 inches, with a sleek dark bronze finish that adds a touch of elegance to any room. The double rod setup is particularly clever, as it features a front rod that has a 3/4 inch diameter and a back rod with a 5/8 inch diameter. This configuration allows for the seamless hanging of blackout curtains alongside sheer panels, giving you the versatility to control light and privacy levels in your space. The standout feature of this curtain rod is its wraparound design. Unlike traditional curtain rods, the Umbra Twilight curves at both ends, allowing your curtains to sit flush against the wall. This not only blocks light from seeping through the sides but also helps insulate your room, keeping the cold drafts out during winter. By using this rod in conjunction with blackout curtains, you can significantly reduce energy costs, while enjoying a peaceful and dark environment, perfect for those midday naps or late-night movie marathons. One of the biggest concerns for anyone considering a new window treatment is installation. Thankfully, the Umbra Twilight Curtain Rod comes with everything you need for a quick and straightforward setup. You won't need additional brackets, as the product includes metal screws, plastic screw anchors, and easy-to-follow assembly instructions. You can have this rod up and ready in no time, making it a hassle-free addition to your home decor. This curtain rod is not just about looks, it's about performance, too. When paired with the right curtains, the Umbra Twilight effectively blocks outdoor noise, creating a tranquil space inside your home. Whether you live in a bustling city or a quiet suburb, this rod can help you achieve a serene atmosphere. Plus, with its various size options, you can find the perfect fit for multiple windows throughout your home. In conclusion, the Umbra Twilight Double Blackout Window Curtain Rod stands out as an exceptional choice for anyone looking to enhance their window treatments. Its stylish design, functional features, and ease of installation make it a must-have for anyone serious about creating a comfortable living space. If you're ready to upgrade your home's curtains, this product is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you have tried the Umbra Twilight Curtain Rod, or if you have any questions about other home decor products. See you next time.